SocialBee is one of the most talked about tools for social media management. But is it really the right fit for you? In this video, we'll cover 7 things you need to know before buying SocialBee, and why it might be the best choice compared to competitors. Stick around till the end, as we'll dive into how SocialBee stacks up in the crowded social media tool space, and I'll show you a special offer you won't want to miss. First thing, let's talk about pricing. SocialBee has a flexible pricing structure with plans ranging from $19 to $79 per month, depending on your needs. What stands out here is the value for money, especially when compared to tools like Hootsuite and Buffer. SocialBee gives you a lot more customization and functionality for a similar or lower price, especially for small to medium-sized businesses that need a comprehensive tool without breaking the bank. Next thing, SocialBee's content categorization is a real game changer. Unlike most tools that give you a simple scheduling feature, SocialBee allows you to categorize your content. You can set up a content calendar with posts grouped by type, like blog posts, quotes, and promotions. This allows you to keep your feed consistent and organized without needing to manually plan everything. If you're someone who wants to ensure a good balance of content types, this feature is invaluable. The third thing you should know is about SocialBee's evergreen content functionality. If you're someone who relies heavily on timeless content that can be reshared repeatedly, this feature is a major plus. SocialBee lets you queue up content that recycles at custom intervals, so you don't need to worry about finding new content all the time. This is something competitors like Buffer and Sprout Social don't offer as intuitively. Now let's talk integrations. SocialBee integrates with over 15 social platforms, including all the big ones like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. But where it stands apart is its Zapier integration. This opens up a huge amount of automation options, so you can create custom workflows that suit your specific needs. Whether it's automatically posting from your blog or pushing content across multiple platforms at once, the integration capabilities here are more flexible than what's offered by Hootsuite or Sprout Social. The fifth thing you need to know is that SocialBee's analytics are solid, but not as in-depth as some of its higher-end competitors. While you do get key performance metrics like engagement rates and reach, some users find tools like Sprout Social offer more detailed breakdowns for advanced social media analytics. If you're a social media manager focused on deep data insights, this could be a downside, but for most users, SocialBee's analytics are more than enough to make informed decisions. Next thing, customer support. SocialBee offers 24/7 chat support, which is a huge benefit when comparing it to competitors that only offer limited hours or ticket-based systems. The team is responsive, knowledgeable, and often resolves issues quickly. This is especially important if you're managing multiple accounts and need assistance in real time. Finally, the user interface. SocialBee is sleek, modern, and easy to navigate. It might not have the same steep learning curve as tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, and it doesn't bombard you with features you'll never use. SocialBee's simplicity makes it easy to jump right in and start posting, while still offering advanced functionality for more experienced users. This is perfect for anyone who's overwhelmed by the cluttered UIs of some competitors. If you want to try out SocialBee for yourself, click the first link in the description to get a free trial and exclusive benefits. This will give you hands-on experience with all the features we talked about today. Trust me, if you're looking for a flexible, affordable, and easy-to-use social media management tool, SocialBee is definitely worth considering.